So another topic, and work shouldn't hurt. We know a lot of you guys do first stage and second stage flashing installation. We couldn't help you for a while. If you look at that bad boy here, that's IM45GN. That's a nail gun for standing seam clips. So we have got stainless steel nails in here, obviously, for our clips. It's stainless steel clips. All the guys installing standing seam, they use those guns nowadays because it's just an application, and the pull-out rating of that nail is extreme, you know. Even sometimes surpasses a nail screw or nails. Quite interesting. So that's a 0-degree nail gun with about 125 nails in the barrel here on the bottom. The coil goes in here and shoots fires out there. So we made for you guys galvanized nails. So they are 2.5 mil thick and 27 mils long. We got them available at Fribesco, New Zealand, but that's for all your color bond color steel application. So if you do your first flashings on a cladding, go around windows, and you have to use steel cleats. That just makes it so much faster to install steel flashing onto a job, because you just run around. You need a bit of gas up in here. That's available everywhere on each retailer shop throughout New Zealand, Australia. And it's obviously battery powered. That gun here saves you a hell lot of time, and it will seriously help you out a lot. Can't imagine how much time this gun saves our clients to install flashings. It's actually really, really quick. So here we go. So you got available on the website hot dip galvanized HDG ring nails. The other ones are the stainless steel ones, or nail screws in stainless steel. We have got 3 different versions on it. So feel free to get yourself a box and help yourself out and help your boys out installing flashings. So if we go back to the topic, work should not hurt. Obviously, if you imagined normal application of hammering a nail, you would hold one of those cleats here, hold it on there and hammer that one through a sheet metal. And steel is quite tough, so you really have to hold it nicely and get it through the steel. By doing that, you usually hit your fingers or the end of your fingernails. Just hurts yourself. You hit yourself quite a lot by doing that. A lot of people are obviously professional, I would say, or they pre-drilling their holes or whatever they do. But usually it's just like, I need a nail quickly, boom, you know, and then you usually slip and can cut yourself. To avoid that, and also the speed of installation, get yourself a gun. It's with 2026, and you're past that point where you just use a hammer and nail. So if you want to install that stuff fast and without hitting yourself or hurting yourself, get yourself a nail gun. Available at fribesco.com. Have fun.